You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Those are two of my favorite words on the entire world, and some of the most mispronounced as well in the entire world, so stay tuned. How to pronounce those two. The top word here has two pronunciations in English. It comes indeed, did you know that, from Spanish caramelo. Caramelo through French, it went through French. Caramel, okay? So if we say caramel is the French pronunciation, caramel would be the logical English pronunciation. And yes, that's one of the two pronunciations. Caramel. Caramel is the British English pronunciations. Now, the American English often say it as caramel. Caramel. And yes, it's correct, but it's not that great, is it? How do you pronounce it? Caramel, caramel, or caramel? Bottom word, croissant is a French pronunciation. Croissant is usually how it's said in English, but some say it as croissant as well. Again, the Americans. How do you pronounce it? What do you think of the different pronunciations, especially the US pronunciations? Let us know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.